So guys, we're out here at First Sundays. I know it has been a while since we've been a part of these runs. It has been ages. And also content's been slow since the new year. Also, since Cape 1000 there wasn't too much happening. But yeah, it's a chill morning. Super nice out. M240 over there. It's a nice E46 over there. I don't know if they're part of us. They might just be chilling. But yeah, that nice F87 pulled in, 135 Audi. Yeah, it's a super nice Scooby coming in. Another younger brother of the Scooby. But man, this one pulling up makes such nice intake noises. Something about Scoobies, they just have that noise about them. It gets us those OG boxer engines. Also nice club sport. And a TT. Okay, it has been a while. James, would you like to take us through what we have here today?
Yeah, we have an M2 competition.
Okay, sick.
M4 G80.
Even better. Holy, those wheels.
Here we have
okay. Sorry, I got distracted.
Sashin and Marcel.
Nice. Good job. We definitely didn't just casually ignore this beautiful GD3 here.
Oh yeah.
Just randomly, by the way. Just randomly. Yeah. Gotta love the casual GD3s that pull up.
Yeah, so nice.
And Jaguar X, whatever. I don't know.
Whatever.
I forgot. They all look the same. It's budget Aston Martin. The Run X over here. E46 next to it. Two M2s. What else we got? Another casual M2, which we have done a shoot with. I'm going to mention this every time I see this car because it's sick. M4, as Homo Boy mentioned. M4, another M4, the E92, the GDI, S3, RS3, I don't know. One of the two. 135, 240, the diesel in a very bright color.
Sure, that's
I'm not gonna lie, I thought that Raptor was an M4.
Sure, that's a 240.
Yes, maybe. Another M2, another RS3. Yeah, it's filled up really nicely, but whoopsies. It's filled up really nicely, but I missed a lot of the cars pulling in, which kind of sucks.
You're right.
I told you. Fight me.
240.
I still don't know what that is. It's probably an S3. It looks too rice to be an RS3. RS3 owners don't have money to modify their cars. They spend all of it on the RS3. But yeah, sick turnout. We'll see where we go from here. I am kind of sad I didn't get much of the cars coming in though. But hey, what is life? We'll get some cool driving content for you guys. It'll make up for it. We'll try to follow the GD3 for content purposes. You can't tell me the overrun on this CS. Speaking of which, CS isn't like insane. And G82. Okay, so drivers meeting done. Everyone's starting up, more or less. Everyone's gonna dip soon. Whoopsies, almost killed myself. Anyways, G3, CS, yeah, it is looking good, looking sick. Got the BM crew up here, M4 in a row with the E92 looking very, very sick. 240, 340. Yeah, it's gonna be quite a good run out. I would also just like to point out how sick does that look. Like, speak about aggressive. It's a very stock M4 rev. Okay, so we made it up to the Red Hill viewpoint, and as you can see, it is looking full. GD3 still with us, the M4s and M2s, the CS, E92, everyone's still with us. Looking so nice. Jaguar sounding pretty good. And the M340. At one point I was a little bit worried we were behind, but it turns out it wasn't too bad. We didn't end up getting behind who we wanted to, but nonetheless, E46. TT is an interesting sound. Now the E46, man, these cars look so good, so clean. Would have loved to have been behind this CS, but man, such a good turnout. Would also love to be behind this a little bit, just to hear it a bit more. Yes, yes. man, all I can say is living up to the plates.
absolutely epic drive that was, following this through Misty Cliffs. Sounded absolutely insane. Oh, that was just epic. The views, the sounds, following that, just sounding so good. Cars looking sick. It's super full. Still got like 90% of the cars here, and sadly the GT3 left us. Club Sport 135. But yeah, sadly G3 left us. Still got the CS way down there. But yeah, absolutely epic. Really enjoyed it. Made me glad and remember why I always loved first Sundays. But yeah, absolutely epic, and I'll see you guys on the next one.